Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago, I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries, 5 more tries to unlock the device, and we'll see how far this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2. So as can you see, 3. The fingerprint scanner works really fast. 5. I just slightly and simple touch the screen here, so you can see that the device unlocked less than in 1 second. That's really good result, and as the result I can say that the fingerprint scanner works here really good fast. This is really useful feature, and if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the PIN codes, passcodes, you can use the fingerprint scanner here, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the PIN code or passcodes, and just be sure that the screen here near the fingerprint scanner and your fingers, they are clean, just to unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.